I'm going to unbox this Besta. We're going to assemble it. It's not the first time I do one, but this one is from, it's from IKEA, obviously, and it's about 40 centimeters deep, and the last three that I've assembled were 20 centimeters deep and without a door. So this one is going to have a door to install in this area of the house. It's the entry hole, and I'm doing it a makeover, and this is going to be like a sitting area with a shoe storage unit. So let's open it. So let's open the box. It's always the same way as always. So here, and we have a helper, my dog Woody. Oh, meu amor. Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Opa. Okay, so to start with, we have this back part, I believe. The manual, we'll look at this later. Now this is the bottom, and this is the back. This is the top, and here are the sides. So it's very straightforward, and to finish we have this little box, and the box has probably the hardware. So let's see inside. So it's very minimalist, and we have exactly the hardware. So now we're going to open the bag and lay everything down. So this is everything. It comes inside the bag. All the accessories you need. Okay, now that we have everything organized, we're going to separate the sides, take them aside. We have all the hardware here, and now find out which part is the bottom, and is this one with these metal screws inside to put the feet. So let's put that first. So let's put it in here. So let's grab the feet and put them in place. Just put it like this and screw them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's turn this around and grab the screws, 4 of them, and put 1 in each corner, okay? Okay, done. So we have the 4 screws, 2 on each side, and now we're going to grab the sides, okay, and match this line, okay, with this line in the back. This is going to support the back of the Besta, so it's very important to be aligned. So as you can see, it's aligned, the 2 lines are aligned, and we're going to do that with the other side as well. So like this. Great. Now grab these pieces, white pieces, okay, and put one on each corner to grab the screws we just screwed on each corner of the bottom part. So do this 4 times. You have to grab these plastic connectors, put it in these holes to connect to the screws that we screwed before, and that way it's going to connect the sides to the bottom. Now what you have to do is simply screw them into place. So they start with the arrow pointing down, and the arrow should be after pointing up. So the back is this piece of cardboard. It's very simple, just cardboard with the 2 white faces, and these two holes should be pointing up, and this is going to serve to screw the Besta to the wall. So let's put it into place. Just find the holes, the gaps, and slide it in. And it's that simple. Okay, now to finish, it's very, very easy. Just use the other side here, okay? Grab the 4 screws and put them in place, just as you did with the bottom part. Good. Good. Now grab the piece, turn it, and find this gap again, okay? And match it with the back part of the Besta. And align the holes with the screws and put it in place. Now you just do the same as before. Grab the plastic connections and put them inside these holes. So let's do that. The arrow should face up first, okay? Now grab the screwdriver and just screw them. Perfect. So this part of the build is done, actually. And yeah, so this part of the build is done. I only need one to this makeover. Now we're going to build in the door with the hinges. I've bought one in secondhand. I was going to buy one new, but then I went to the secondhand section, and it was there some Bestas of 20 centimeters deep with a door for 24 francs, and just the door was 25 francs plus the hinges 14 francs, so a total of 35 francs. So I've saved on the hinges, and the door is perfect. So I'm going to take the door from that Besta of 20 centimeters deep. I gained a Besta. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I'm then going to use the door from that Besta and use it in here. So let's install it. Okay, so here it is. So this is what I bought for 24 francs and saved me on the door. That is perfect, beautiful, secondhand, and the hinges. Just hinges is $14 or 14 francs in my case. Then I bought as well a shelf because I want to divide the space inside to put shoes on the top and shoes on the bottom. So this is a good add-on and was 9 francs. So Besta is a very good system, in my opinion. It serves a lot of uses, but it's really, really expensive if you start to add doors, hinges, shelves, textures and colors and all that stuff. It's very expensive. So it's one part of the IKEA side that it's not that affordable. But this setup, it's about, let's say, 24 francs plus 9, so 30, 35, 33 plus, this was what, 35 francs as well. So 70 francs just for a module. Damn, it's expensive. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, it's actually very simple. I'm just going to unscrew the hinges from inside this Besta and then turn the door and put it on this side because I want the door to open the other way around. So instead of opening like this, I want to open like that. So let's do that. Okay, done. Now we're going to turn this around like that and I'm going to screw them like this to this part. So to open like that, okay? So let's find out the best way to do it. So I'm going to turn this. Okay, so let's put this in place. I'm using a 15. It's almost always a 15. One and the other here. Yeah, and now use the other screws to secure it properly. One, and the last one here. These screws are made for these pre-hole holes, so it's fine. Yeah, it's done. So great. Here, and now let's put this piece, okay, inside. So right here, find the hole. It's very important, and it's done. So okay, so let's close this. Okay, find the bottom. It's in here. Turn it like this. Okay, put it in place. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful. Now, yeah, very cool. Now let's put the shelf in. Open the door. Take the plastic. Here we have a little box and has some hardware. It's, I believe, yeah, it's only the supports for the sides to fix the shelf. So let's put it in place and install the shelf. There are 4, and we're going to put them in place in the middle. 1, 2, inside. I have a problem because I put this piece here in the middle, so I cannot put the same. As you can see, the support is here, and I want to put the other one in here, but we have this piece, so it's not possible. So let's remove it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's in this one. Now it's cool. It fits. All right, 1. And the other down there. Yep, done. Okay, so this is one more part of this makeover of my hallway. It's not completely done. I have some more news for you. I have to put some hangers and another tricks and hacks to hide screws in these panels, but that will be for a next video. So this video was about the Besta. It's installed. It's going to have other surprises as well, but in the next video. So I didn't receive yet the materials that I need to finish the place. So I'm doing this in 3 video series. So if you haven't subscribed already, go and subscribe, like the video, and if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.